The winner of the Pro-Am Holeshot Award, sponsored by Roost Power Sports in Moto number 2, was Tyler Marlin, number 609.
Thank you, Roost Power Sports. Woo! Man, whole shots are important, but happy birthday to the mama. Thanks for coming out. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Woo!